People, back again with another video. As always, I need to humbly request everyone to please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I don't think anyone ever shares these videos. Just please like and comment, like and comment, subscribe, share as well, man. Come on, tell everyone you know to comment, share, subscribe. Your cousins, just take people's accounts and give me a like. Take your friends YouTube. Say, oh, can I use your phone? Go onto YouTube, subscribe. Just get the subscribers up, man, people, by any means. But yeah, let's just talk about the sneakers, the trainers. I'm gonna say trainers. People from America will say the sneakers. I'll just say trainers because that's what I'm used to. So these trainers, interestingly enough, the first time I knew about these trainers were probably when I was 5-6 years old. And I remember someone I knew, it's like a family friend, quite older than me, a good, let's say 10 years older than me. He bought a pair. And I was like, what are those? Oh, these are TNs. I was like, TNs? Bro, TNs. And I wanted a pair, but like these were the ones. I think it was early 2000s. Quite early 2000s. Like, I think 03, 04. Oh, it must have been 02, 03. Definitely 02, 03. Nothing after 04. So I was like, oh, TNs, mad. Those are sick. And I wanted a pair, and obviously I was a little child and they were quite expensive, so I never had a pair. Then I didn't really want a pair, growing up, carrying on, whatever. I didn't really buy any pairs. I appreciated them for what they were, but I just didn't buy any. But now I thought, you know what? I've got a lot of Air Max 95s, got a lot of Air Force Ones, got a lot of high-end luxuries. I've been doing Jordans from way before when it was easier to get them. Obviously, you had to queue up and stuff like that, but used to, go around London via train or the bus and stuff and just look for Jordans, wait for Foot Locker discounts, all that good stuff. It was fun. It was quite fun, so I enjoyed it. But now it's not really enjoyable. So I just thought, what's next? And then I started thinking, TNs, maybe we'll try it. So yeah, it's a little background story. Not that anyone really cares, but I've known about these for a long time. Nike called them a different name now. These will always be TNs to me. Like, it's easy, simple, whatever. But here we go. That same old box, the box that we are bored of seeing, the box that's featured on the channel a million times, the box that Nike need to change. That red box, don't even want to explain what it is. So on the label it says Air Max Plus. It says white, black, cool grey. US 11, UK 10, centimeters 29. BR 43, and I still don't know what BR is. I need to Google that. Europe 45, and then the 604 blah blah blah, style code, whatever, SKU. So as you can see by the label, they are white, and let's get into them. Bam. A pair of white TNs. Very risky buying a white pair, but I also definitely want to get a black one. These are more of a summer. So the reason I bought these specifically is because I said to myself, I've been wearing Air Force Ones. The price keeps going up. Then the last few years I've been buying Air Max 95s alongside Air Force Ones. But then, you know, when you get a bit bored, you're thinking, what else is out there? What else is out there? You've done quite a few. I was like, TNs. Let me do the TNs now, man. Let me try to do TNs for a bit. So I bought the white pair. Obviously, due to the mesh, very risky, but we move. But what I did was I have already waterproofed these using a waterproof spray. I will not give out the name of the company because they do not deserve any free promo, even if it's just one customer. I don't care, to be honest. Everyone else can do their own Google reviews on where to get it. Because these companies are not going to pay me, why should I give them a shout out? Or they won't send me free stuff, so, you know, they can chill. So what I like about the bottom of these is, you know, the whole thing is grey. The whole thing's white, and then the bottom's grey. The reason I like that is normally when you have an all white sneaker trainer, the bottom gets dirty. And obviously, white, yeah, of course white gets dirty. But what really annoys me is it becomes yellowish. And I hate it when the bottom's yellow. So like what will happen is usually it will be like yellowy here. This will stay white. This will be like whitish, but the mesh will turn yellowish. But I just need like trainers to be clean underneath. What I've started to actually do is just like once I've worn them, it's so bad. Once I've worn them, give them a quick scrub. Using like a shoe cleaner. No specific brands will be mentioned. And then so it's got the, you know, I think this is like metal, I don't even know. Metal plates. They got metal plates in there, mate. Looks like it. Metal plates. I haven't seen that before. Then it's got a bit of plastic in the middle of the foot, so the whole thing, this black bit here is plastic. This is all plastic. That bit here is plastic as well. That's quite different. Usually sneakers don't have that much plastic elements at the bottom. It's mostly rubber, but here we go. They got grey around here, and then it's got little holes. Yeah, midsole white. It does sometimes give off a different color vibe, but we move. Then we got a smooth leather on the back, all there, and it's got like a crease or something in it. TN Air, so that's why they call it TNs, because it literally says TN, and we call it TN, and we won't call it tuned or Air Max Plus. So I definitely don't want to call these Air Max Plus. Oh mate, did you see my Air Max Pluses? Nah. Oh, nice TNs, mate. Nice TNs. Yeah, that's better. Not nice Air Max Pluses. That's terrible. A lot of plastic on this shoe is what I noticed. So plastic here, plastic on the swoosh, plastic all up. All this swoosh plastic. This is all plastic. All plastic again. Swoosh plastic. Then what I really like is that leather wraparound kind. It's not even a wraparound, it's just leather all on the side. And then it's plastic there. So I think this trainer or sneaker, this was like one of the first with a lot of plastic on them. Quite light. Lighter than the Air Max 95s. It's got, you know, like 3M on the lace loops, which I really like. So they're kind of, you know, hidden lace loops. They're stitched into there with the 3M on it, and then 3M on the tongue. Quite a nice sock liner. Like I like a lot of sneakers with this type of sock liner. Overall, I really like them. I think they're clean. Really good sneaker. One thing is that obviously I would love to change is the mesh. So if there was like a leather, all white leather, oof, those would be amazing. They look kind of long sometimes on foot. Maybe I just overthink it. But one thing I do have to say is 100% that they are super comfortable. I tried them on, so you can see my signature. My signature lace up is, never use like the holes, just use the lace loops type thing. It's always like one down, so like that. I tried these on because obviously I wanted to see how they fit, and wow, comfortable. So definitely want to get a black pair. Just one headache is, the mesh, quite annoying. Can potentially get very dirty. Have waterproofed it. Definitely will do like an update. I think I might just do like a 1 month update, 2 month update. Not that anyone even cares, but sometimes you wanna show new things, show something a bit different. Maybe help people out if they wanna see what it looks like. It could be interesting, but I just really hope this mesh doesn't like yellow and end up looking ugly, because we hate that. Oh yeah, one more thing, yeah, which I really liked is it's got like a silver bubble inside, but then this side it's got like the TN tuned colors, so the yellow and red. I thought that was really cool. I didn't even notice it first. Obviously before today I noticed it, but I didn't even notice it until I had these in hand, and I was like, oh yeah, they got a different color. But it's cool. And I think that's enough of me waffling for one day. Please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a family member. Let's get this channel up there. 5k, 5k. But yeah, I don't really have too much else to talk about these trainers. So, as always, on foot will follow. And the most important thing for me to you is take care, people.